I remember seeing a video ago of a TikTok trend where you take a can of drink, you get your Sharpie or marker, and if you rub it around the rim, it'll pop up because of the friction. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be taking a soda can. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to offend anybody by just doing that. Pop can. Sorry, not a soda can. We don't know what that is. Apparently when doing so, it's very fast and very loud. And I think it'd be something cool to do in slow motion. So, as per usual, pretty janky setup. Just sitting here at my dining room table where I eat food. About to burst open a pop can all over the place and probably just make a mess. So I have the giant bright light giving me a migraine, and also the ember, obviously, pointed right down at the can. And I'm going to try my best to hopefully get it without the marker getting in the way. If I do that, I think that'll be a win. Also, this is a warm pop can, so I don't know if there's a difference. This is currently at, what do you call it, 800 frames at 4K. We're definitely going to slow it down a little bit when the time comes, but I'd like to see if I can get this to even work, honestly. It's like I'm making puffins, is it? In Pokemon Diamond? I think it's gonna go soon, actually. Come on, I'm gonna make the puffins stir faster. Oh, I feel like I'm just breaking the marker. Holy crap. The can is getting firmer. That'd be great if it just went off and scared the crap out of me. I'm also destroying this marker, like it's just shaving apart. I only have 35 minutes to record on the Ember in 4K, so I hope this works and I get the shot. I really wish I could just do that. It scared the crap out of myself. Nothing even happened. It looks like it's about to burst, no joke. I could see it lifting up. It's just, I can't. I really want to do it like this, but that's gonna cover up the whole frame. So I have to like put my arm up at it like an ass. Oh, Jesus Christ! I don't even know if I got that. I was too busy talking about it not even working. I kind of hope I got that because I don't want to do this much longer. This is a workout. Oh my God. It's gonna. I think that was like a 400 gigabyte file of me just moving a can. I made the f-stop. I think what I have it at? I have it at F8 because I knew there's a chance I was going to be off target, but if I didn't get it where my thumb's in front, I will be very happy. Oh, holy crap. Oh my God, that's crazy. It went. Oh my God. Oh, unfortunately my dumb finger was in the way. Oh, goodness. That was really quick. That was really quick. That was stupid quick. It worked. It did. It went. Nothing like a warm can of pop drink. There we go. As I clean the table, I think the plan is I'm going to try to do it again one more time in 4K just to get it to where my stupid hand is in the way like I predicted would happen anyway. Then after that, I'm going to put it all the way down to, I think, the... but then after that, I'm going to drop it all the way to 3500 and 2K by 800. But then after, I'm going to put it 3500 frames, black and white, 2K by 800. And that way we can see some more detail. But, whew, yeah. Have to be a little bit more sturdy. It got all over the place. It got on the camera lens. Holy crap. Oh, I got Coke all over. How do you clean Coke off a camera lens? Probably not with a paper towel, that's for sure. I think I'm also going to put the cone back on the light, and that way I'm going to see if I can even bring the f-stop even more. I may have also left the plastic thing on the light. I can't tell you how many times I've done that and how many times I've yelled at people for doing that. We'll go cherry. I was going to say adds a little bit more color to the picture, but we're just looking at the silver top. Again, you'll have to apologize for, again, the harsh shadows that I know are definitely going to be in the way. All right, round two. Oh, I can't wait for this. You know, actually, I'm going to do something I've never thought I'd do on the Ember. I'm going to change the ISO from 400 to 200. Yeah, it's going to be kind of hard not to get the pen in the way. Like I said, making puffins and Pokemon Diamond and Pearl. Or Pokemon Ranger. Is that the other one where you spin? Yes, Pokemon Ranger. I've seen videos where they do it in front like this. But I also see it mostly where they just go in a circle. Whew. This is going to be one of those things where it's like 20 minutes to film and then 40 minutes, I should say, and then 10 minutes to edit. Oh my god, it's so cool. I could literally see it bowing again. I'm sweating so bad. It's like the coolest it's ever been. In the summer, it's like 65 in the house. I'm sweating doing this. Oh my god, I can't do it. I literally can't do it anymore. I don't have enough space. Go! Go! Just go! I don't care! Oh my god, seriously? I gotta turn on the air or something. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Whew. That's what I like to call bullshit, dude. Oh, I can't see. I'm sweaty. Alright, let's take a look at this monstrosity. Here, should I turn off the light real quick? Oh, I can't shake it so bad, dude. Yeah, you know, only 800,000 frames. This is great. Riveting content here. Yeah, just this over and over again. It says it's 67 here. I'll tell you what, it doesn't feel like 67. I don't even know how big this file is going to be. I don't think I have enough room on my computer. Oh, wait, is it actually, like, perfect? Yes! Yes! Yes, it's exactly how I wanted it. I don't think I could do it again that perfect. Literally, as the marker goes out of the way, you can see everything. I don't think I could have done that any better. That couldn't have been more perfect. For me, at least. Oh, I can't believe that. Right as it goes around. Boom! I don't really know if I want to attempt that again. I think I'll try. Because it'd be great to get it at, like, you know, 3,500 frames. So that's the plan. I have literally a terabyte left in the Ember, and I just don't know if I should dump all the footage, which is going to take forever, and by the time I come back, I'm not going to want to do this again, or just hope that I could do it fast enough. What I'm going to try to actually do, I think, is start it off first. In fact, I can feel the can tightening already, so I'm just going to hit record and go for it. You have to apologize again for the flickering light. Still not fixed. Yeah, I literally have, like, if this is going right, it's like a frame or a gigabyte every second. So I have like 10 minutes, I think, for this. Didn't play enough Pokemon Ranger, I guess, as a kid. Down to 960 gigabytes. God, that was way louder too. Holy crap. That was the last can of Coke I had too, so good thing. I think I got it too how I wanted it, which if I did, bonus points, because that would be great. I'm back to 800,000 frames again. Well, let's get some behind the scenes since I have all the time in the world. Behind the scenes of the Ember. I didn't think the longest file I would have would literally be a pop can. Okay. Oh, okay, right in the middle. Holy crap. It almost looks like when you open... I can show you exactly what that looks like. Hold on. I know, I've seen that reaction before 1,000 times with how the thing is popping out. I know exactly what that looks like. Right there. Yeah. That is really quick, too. Holy crap. Of course, as I knew this was going to be way too fast for this, but it's kind of cool to see the vibration parts in it. That looks awesome. Here, let me show you what that looks like. I didn't even need to film that to know that detail. Ready? Here we go. Yep, look familiar? Here, wait, we're gonna do it again. This is just like the pop can, IRL. Yep. All right, well, now that I'm done with my gym workout for the day, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.